This is Brian's Model Railroad. He's one of the first subscribers, I bet, to my channel. And I just decided to make him some paraphernalia for his model railroad. Here I'm designing a sign for Lumberton Valley. Create 3 different files so I can do a rough cut, a fine cut, and a cutout. And I'll send these files over to CNC, get it busy. Grabbing some wood. And cut this down to the dimensions of the sign. Get that placed in there. I used 2 different bits. One for a rough cut and a cutout, and the other one for the fine cut. Here I'm sending the files over to this web interface from my computer to the CNC. Here I'm putting some double stick tape on here to stick that down to the bed so it doesn't move. Some people use clamps. Here's these 2 bits. I'm going to move this over here and put in this rough cut bit. I don't show the fine cut bit being installed, but this gives you the idea. These bits are spiral, they'll cut on all sides. Here I'm picking my rough cut. That's the NGC code that V-carve spit out. I gotta tell the CNC where the corner and the top of this wood is at, so it can use it for a reference. And that's what this is here. You'll find the corners. And I hit carve, and off it goes. I'll do this rough cut for some time before I get it closed up. And it's kind of loud, so I have it in a room where I can close that, and I can close the doors. I make quite a few of these signs. I've got them a bunch of different places in my shop. They're fun to make. That's after the rough cut. That's after the fine cut. And then here it's doing a cutout. This isn't a tutorial video, but it kind of just shows a little bit of getting some signage for Brian's Lumberton Valley. These are fascia signs for, I guess he does operations on there, and he could use some fascia signs to show us different locations where he's sending all of his goods. Played around with this a little bit. I have several different colors, but the black seemed to have the best contrast. So in here in Corel Draw, I draw up, well, 13 of these. It's quite a few. I guess some people probably have hundreds of these. I don't know. And then from Corel Draw, I'll print it. It goes to this dashboard where I can line it up to the media I'm using. And then print it. Prints just like a printer. sped this up a little bit. It takes a minute. Getting them straight in there ain't too easy either. I get them, clean them up. They get a little bit of burn, some residue, and some other stuff on there. I want them to shine, be real clear, so you can see when he's going to the farmer's co-op where that's at on his layout. Yeah, if you think you might want some of this for your railroad, let me know. Bunch of different ways to finish these signs. Staining them is real nice. It leaves some wood grain so you can see the wood grain. If you get a chance, get over to Brian's YouTube channel, Brian 102256. Get in there and say hi to him. He's a good guy. So I painted it, and then I put a lacquer on there as well. Got a lot of goodies together there. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you say hi to Brian. Y'all take care.